Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on this video. I'm going to be demonstrating how to create looks using the L'Oreal SteamPod 3.0. Don't forget, if you love this video, go and subscribe to my channel to see more. So let's get going. Fill the water tank with demineralized, filtered or bottled water with the applicator bottle provided. Once on, the small light on the SteamPod body indicates that the SteamPod is active. Choose the temperature according to your hair type. For this snake wave style, I'm taking straight, fine hair and creating soft waves to give a lived-in beachy look. I've removed the detachable comb to help create these waves. Ideally, section your hair off starting in the nape of the neck. Place your first section of hair in the middle of the plaits in between the two arrows on the body. Your section shouldn't be too wide or too thick, and make sure that the arrows are pointing downwards whilst you're styling. So to begin with, push your section of hair in towards the head, creating a C shape. Place this C inside the plates of the SteamPod. Press down and hold for 3 to 5 seconds depending on your hair type. For example, thicker hair, leave for longer. At the same time, with the hair not inside the iron, start creating a reverse C shape to the first one, remembering to slowly move down the section and keep pressing, eventually placing the next C shape inside the SteamPod plates. It's important to keep your sections of hair flat and open, not bunching it up so that the heat from the SteamPod penetrates all the hair. If the hair hasn't had enough heat, then the C shape won't set in properly. As you start working your way to the end of the section, you should see S shapes forming in the hair. It's important not to take too thick sections either. As you get around the sides of the face, create your first C section curving away from your face on both sides. This will help with the final styling process. And I'll repeat this technique one more time. Push your section of hair in towards the head, creating a C shape. Then place the C inside the plates of the SteamPod. Press down and hold for 3 to 5 seconds, depending on your hair type. At the same time, with the hair not inside the iron, start creating a reverse C shape to the first one, remembering to slowly move down the section and keep pressing, eventually placing the next C shape inside the SteamPod plates. Once all your hair is waved, use either your fingers or a bristled vent brush to loosen all the hair out. Then use a light texture spray to create some root lift and texture all the way through the hair. And there you have it. Smooth, straight hair transformed into soft, textured snake waves. Gorgeous! Thanks for watching, and remember to press that little subscribe button if you want to see more of my gorgeous hair tutorials.